In this video, I'm going to be providing you with an exclusive Hostgator coupon code that will get you a Hostgator discount no matter what kind of Hostgator plan you go with. You'll even get a free domain name on annual plans or a domain name discount for non-annual plans with the Hostgator shared hosting plans, cloud hosting plans, and WordPress hosting plan. To get your Hostgator coupon code discount, click the link below in the description and you just need to enter the Hostgator promo code Cupid60 at checkout. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostgator discount. Now let me cover the Hostgator discount for each of the Hostgator hosting services. Let's start with the most popular Hostgator hosting service, known as their shared hosting. You'll see 3 different plans: the Hatchling, Baby, and Business plan. You'll actually be able to get up to 66% off for each of these plans by using our exclusive Hostgator promo code. You'll also receive a free domain name for annual plans and a domain discount for non-annual plan. Next, let's move on to the Hostgator WordPress hosting plan. You'll see the standard plan, you'll get up to 40% off, the starter plan up to 50% off, and the business plan up to 57% off. You'll also get a free domain name for annual plans and a domain discount for non-annual plan. Next, let's move on to the Hostgator cloud hosting plan. You'll see the Hatchling Cloud, Baby Cloud, and Business Cloud plans. You'll get up to 45% off. You'll also get a free domain name for annual plans or a domain discount for non-annual plan. Next, let's move on to the Hostgator VPS hosting plan. You'll see the Snappy 2000, Snappy 4000, and Snappy 8000. You'll see you'll get up to 75% off for each of these plans. Next, let's go over the Hostgator dedicated server hosting plan. You'll see the Value Server, Power Server, and Enterprise Server. You'll get up to 52% off for each of these plans. Enjoy your Hostgator coupon discount to save some money on your Hostgator web hosting purchase. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting tutorial videos. Leave us a comment. We love hearing from you.